Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have discussed about basic of HTML. So in this, I just want to tell you about HTML tags. As I said in my previous video, that tags is what makes HTML document, and HTML is basically used for web page designing and web page making. And myself is Ms. Surbhi Saroha. Moving forward with the video, this is HTML tags. And HTML tag are used to make up HTML elements. As I told you that only tags make a HTML page. With help of tags, we are able to make the web page. Okay. Then HTML tags are surrounded by the two characters. One is less than and greater than sign. So this is in between the tag is written of these signs. The surrounding characters are called angle brackets, and this what we called it as angle brackets. Okay, HTML tags normally come in pair like, so they are always pair. Why we say pair? Like B stands for bold and they say B tag and closing B tag. This is what we say it as close B tag by / and then B again. The first tag in a pair is the start tag. So this B is the starting tag. We say the second tag is the end tag. So that second one we call it as ending tag. The text between the start and end tag is the element content, and whatever is in between the tags, that is the element content. HTML tags are not case sensitive. Now, what does the word case sensitive means? Case sensitive means uppercase or lowercase that is same, that will treat that word same. Like in example, they have given like in this, what's written forward is B, small b or capital B, that is treated as the same thing. So this means that it is not case sensitive. Okay. So the meaning of small b and capital B is same for HTML. So B means the same as caps B. Next we move to tag logical versus physical tag. Now there are two types of tags. One tag is known as logical tag and another is known as physical tag. Now they say in HTML there are both logical tags and physical. So both types of tags are available in HTML. Logical tags are designed to describe to the browser the enclosed text meaning. Now I already told you that you have to write the coding part, that is with the help of tags what we write in the notepad, and you have to run the saved file that automatically gets run in the browser. So what they say is logical tags are designed to describe to the browser the enclosed text meaning. So this is how logical tag works. An example of logical tag is strong. So you can see this is a tag, strong tag, and the same get close also strong, because every tag gets closed by / and the word whatever the tag may be of, like this is tag is basically for strong tag. So what does this tag do? By placing text in between these tags, you are telling the browser that the text has some greater importance. That means the word emphasized in between these tags would be highlighted more apart from rest of the contents of the body of the contents, whatever that may be. By default, all browsers make the text appear bold when in between the strong and / strong tags. So they say that this will appear in bold. So this will be strong bold. Okay, that's why this tag is used. Then physical tags, on the other hand, provide specific instructions on how to display the text they enclose. Now, physical tag would be, what's the difference between logical tag and physical tag? They say that physical will provide specific instruction that will be providing. This example will be given forward in the next slide. So we move on to that. So example of physical tag includes like small b makes the text bold, big makes the text usually one size bigger than what's around it, and I, that is makes text italics. So this is how, and since we said that HTML is not case sensitive, so you may use capital I or small I, that would means one or the same thing. Next, we move to nested tags. Now, the word nested means that more than one tag is being used collectively in your document. You may have noticed in the example above, the body tag also contain other tags like the B tab. When you enclose an element in which multiple tags, the last tag opened should be the first tag closed. Now, this is very important. Like the formatting of the text, you must know that when you open the very first tag would be the very first to close also. Is it so? Am I right or wrong? Just see. So we move forward for this. As we say, when you enclose an element in which multiple tags, the last tag opened should be the first tag closed. Underline this word. This is the key word. What they say is the last tag opened. That means the last tag would be opened should be the first tag to be closed. Yes. So there a lot of students make mistake that they close the very first which you have opened. No, that's not the case. Like for example, what a mistake the student mostly do is like P is for paragraph tag, B is for bold, and then emphasize. So they have opened three tags. This is not the proper way to close nested tag. So they are saying this is wrong, done wrong. Like first we have opened this P, then they close P, then that way. No, this is the wrong one. The other correct example is P should be open, B should be open like EM, then this is the proper way to close nested tags. Like the last tag open would be the first tag to close. So EM should be closed, then B should be closed, then P. So this is very important to be considered, while doing your coding part especially. Note, it does not matter which tag is first, but they must be closed in the proper order. Yes, this is important. They must be closed in the proper order. And the last one should be the first one to get closed. Okay. Then tag attributes. There are some tags can have attributes. Attributes can provide additional information about the HTML elements on your page. Now they are tags we have already discussed. They have some attributes. We will tell you if you consider an attribute, attribute means feature of that tag. So you see forward what kind of features they're talking about. The tag tells the browser to do something while the attribute tells the browser how to do it. This is very important. The tag tells the browser what to do. Now the tag is telling that what actually they have to do, while the attribute tells how they will be doing that. That will be told by the attribute. For instance, that means, for example, if you add the BG color, BG stands for background color attribute, we can tell the browser that the background color of your page should be blue, right? For that, if you want to specify that BG color should be blue, that means background color should be blue. Now what should be the example? Example would be like body. This has to be, so the body tag attribute is BG color. BG color is the attribute of body tag here. So here's the example of body tag in which the attribute is BG color that they have